Hey, my name is Brandon.
Majid.
Johan.
Karen.
Yeah, so before coming to college, I had no GCSEs whatsoever, didn't even sit the exams. And I came to college, I put all of my effort into those lessons, and I managed to come out with 2 Bs, which is an amazing result for someone who's never done them.
I was really nervous, but at the same time excited to be learning the qualification.
Because English is my second language, my teachers helped me I can understand maths.
My learning experience in the classroom was really nice. Everything that I needed in terms of assistance was given.
I feel like I know a lot of people actually who are a bit embarrassed to take their GCSEs, but I think it's one of those things that's just absolutely great to do, and it really will help.
This enables me to now progress to the next level for higher education in the Access to Nursing course.
It means I can pursue jobs better because now I tell them that I've got qualifications.
If you come into college to resit your GCSEs, don't be afraid. They will go at your pace and they will give you lots of support.
Definitely think this is a really good option to do, a really great thing to do, and definitely give it a go.
You know, if I can do it, anybody else can.